Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, it's never enough? That was me, juggling a full-time job, trying to plan for the future, but still lying awake at night, thinking, how will I keep up if something goes wrong? I realized one simple truth. If I stopped working, my income stopped too. That scared me because it meant my time was my only source of income. That's when I started looking for something different, something that could keep working even when I couldn't. When I discovered that you could build an income online using just your phone, it felt like a door opened. Not a get-rich-quick thing, but a real long-term solution. Because once you build a system that runs for you, you finally get peace of mind. You can spend more time with your family, rest when you need to, and still know your business is working in the background. If you ever wanted to breathe a little easier, this is your sign. Let your income work for you, even when you're not. Comment info below and I'll show you how to get started with the same blueprint.